Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
It's very loud. Hi, how are you?
We have seen you always experimenting and taking fashion to another level.
Really? What level is that?
That is defined by you only. ये किस तरह से कर पाते हैं आप लोगों को बताएं कुछ इंस्पिरेशन रहती है आपकी
पहली बात तो मुझे पता नहीं, अनदर लेवल तो है नहीं. मुझे जो कपड़े अच्छे लगते हैं मैं पहनती हूँ. मुझे सिंपल चीज़ें अच्छी लगती है. सो आई लाइक टू कीप इट सिंपल बट ऑल्सो experiment, you know, and like so it doesn't become boring. So I like having fun with my clothes. I love clothes. So yeah.
किस एज में आपने सोचा था कि मतलब मुझे थोड़ा वेरिएशन वैरायटी और भिन्नता लानी चाहिए अपने looks में
किस में?
looks में
Not really. I've always gotten attracted instinctively to stuff that is interesting, you know. And बचपन से ही मैं बहुत जब छोटी थी, मॉम यूज्ड टू बी इन ऑफिस, तो मैं अपने कपड़े काट के एक ड्रेस का ऊपर और दूसरे ड्रेस का नीचे सिलवा के वो पहनती थी. So I've always been sort of experimenting myself, you know. Yeah. Okay, sorry.
आर्टिकल 15 का ट्रेलर आया है, काफी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला है. इट्स अ सब्जेक्ट व्हिच नो वन हैज टच्ड बिफोर. What are the kind of responses that you have got?
Well, honestly, the response has been quite overwhelming because, you know, when something is made with the right intention, it sort of shows through. And we honestly had immense fun shooting for the film, Anubhav. So yeah, I was saying we had immense fun shooting for it. And Anubhav Sinha and the way his team works, you know, it's really homely. You know, it's like a family. And the bunch of actors that were there, they're incredible actors, but also they're amazing human beings. And I think the subject and the story is something that we all, as collaborators, really believed in. It's a story that we wanted to tell. And when we read the script, I think all of us, we were like, wow, somebody has actually put it down in this way. And you watch the film, it's very, very powerful. It's a beautifully written script.
Speaking about the subject, it is a controversial subject.
It's not a controversial subject at all.
But do you think some communities will, considering...
Not really, no. It talks about humanism. You know, it talks about how every individual, by the beautiful constitution of our country, which is actually incredibly nuanced, you know, and detailed. And Baba Saheb Ambedkar and so many people have actually sat down and written the lengthiest constitution of the world. And it actually safeguards every single individual, every single citizen of the country, irrespective of where they are born. You know, what kind of caste, creed, religion, race, gender, it does not matter. Everybody's basic fundamental rights are safeguarded by our constitution. And how people just exploit other people, right? And I think that's also human to do it. And you know, the system and the way the system functions a lot of times is unfair on certain section of the population. And I think it's very important to talk about every kind of, all kinds of people. And I think that's why it's so relevant and so important right now. Thank you.